Can you play Paper IO2 with friends? So, Paper IO2 does not officially support private lobbies or direct friend invites in the way many multiplayer games do. So, what you can possibly do to play with friends in Paper IO2 is actually to compete asynchronously. So play separately and compare scores or territory captured, and try other IO games. So games like Shell Shockers, Conquer IO, or Scribble IO offers better friend matching features. So there is no direct matchmaking option on Paper IO, so there's no built-in feature to create private rooms or send invites to friends. And there some players try to join the game at the same time, hoping to land in the same public match, but this is unreliable and not officially supported. So you can actually play with friends by trying to join the same server at the same time. So local play alternatives. So if you're on the same Wi-Fi network and using similar devices, you might occasionally end up in the same match, but again, it's a hit or a miss. And that is the answer to your question if you can play with friends and pipe in paper IO2.